Dirty bad mind, mommy do you so. Be a negative, you just a cat.
We all look the money way.
Man, look what your money with.
Then
And that's why
where
I go.
is it?
That's why I should have never say my son's pastor fine in the first place.
In my pastor can come from the pulpit
Him is a
and
thief.
preach,
Him
and
is a
when the
thief.
end of the month he get paid.
Him is a thief because
Don't
he brought this up and he tell delegates about this and that and that and tell them all kind of things. Say he promise
So
them.
if him
we're gonna
come
fix
now,
food, we're gonna
if
give them
him
water.
come now as a politician,
Tell BLI then Sunday morning in gone.
Can't post that because there was one Marie.
him a go
In
give
a big jacket,
them
this and that
cancel
and
him.
that.
Cancel him.
In a big jacket, you know,
be right.
like. In a big
Anybody
jacket,
will
this
freedom
and
of
that.
speech.
In
Yeah.
a big jacket,
And
this
it's-
and
and
that.
it's-
Go up and pulpit, go preach and tell them this and that and that. And just tell how much you lie out there, so. It can't work, so.
And Marie, everybody do it.
No,
such man.
no, better than you one
I
night
just
you go
we
shop
a
like
look
this.
up to the
when
pastor
sell
saying
drinks
she
and
do so.
biscuit, or better you say, alright, they don't know, so me go go on, buy
Pastor
some
no
pants
feel
and
no
some jacket
politics.
suits and some.
What make Jer?
4. Alright, conference are going to the Sunday and church will go on. Which one you go?
Not
Which
even
one?
say that.
Yeah.
Them pastor not figure church if him have to play a partner conference.
So we if your
The
church
church
member
can't put
them
up.
fi do
Church can't put
that.
up.
For what? Just take a
the church more
conference, yes.
important
Alright.
than conference.
Conference more
make-
important.
Because money they so.
Hey.
Them a
Nah.
thief.
You can't
Not
have a
right,
conference
Pat.
and bus crash.
So hold on, Jer. Hold on.
Pastor no fear do that.
Go on a church alone and make your light bill pay, you know?
Well,
Some
I'm
all
there.
these years.
Do it every Sunday you go church.
Man, they be.
Do it every Sunday
Oh,
you
all
go
of the
church.
gold man, they be.
Where you go during the week?
I live in a house with like.
You not gonna work during the week.
Oh, me?
Eh.
No, me not work now.
You go work during the week, Jer?
every day.
And you go church Sunday.
Me no go church.
You do it you go church Sunday moment.
Yeah.
And you go your business during the week. Do it you go to make money.
My business.
At
Yeah.
church.
Okay, then pastor no go to make money during the week of politics. Of course.
And the
So
few
all
church
these years,
people member them
We're
now.
going to come the politics business for the head.
So how pastor
All these
make
years,
money?
Oh, in light bill, water bill and them things. Them go
Did
down
that
and
pay?
pick me to
Him did a struggle for
Him
pay.
did a struggle where I'm
Oh,
big
you
and all
mean,
stuff.
Him a
I think
struggle.
coming on this thing.
And him see better way now.
So Jesus no pay pastor man, that's how you go.
Jesus.
Yeah.
No, sir.
So who pay them?
I people them a go to church.
Alright.
Why,
Well, you
half
never stick with that. They used to pay in light bill and
That
things.
don't know.
Oh, you mean that
No.
don't you know?
Him need
That's
more.
enough.
Him need more
I don't
and
feel
marry.
like if he says a true pastor, I don't feel like saying
Well,
she's
like that,
not
me
in a
I tell you
politics.
now, where you go get through?
No, but no, you see when everything all boiled down, right down to the aisle pass the grave, go trip down to the aisle, and that we are talking about, you hear?
How much is two people you can
Don't
find
go
in
to church,
earth
go
now?
deceive the people them then because you're done already then. No, me don't want you preach to me. Don't try to tell me nothing.
Pastor T.
No, him not preach to you about no make
Wait,
no
man.
money, you know.
No,
Him
no,
a tell
never preach
you, him
and
a
tell
tell
that.
yourself you love God and love each other.
And him a go-
Another pastor preach at church.
I want to tell myself to do like what him a do, but I don't say you're supposed to go.
Him never
And
tell
that
you
alone.
Him say, him tell you say, do what him say, but not do what him do.
So you're supposed to go. You're supposed to go, they go deceive people, tell bag of lies, scam and them things there,
Yeah, man.
and then come tell we say rate, don't do what we do, whatever.
He made way out.
And I say you go.
Yeah, man.
And I say you're supposed to.
You know, feel so
You see
say.
the way I talk, I want dirty pastor boy that still like what they chat about.
You don't know, say you have pastor. We tell himself, say, you wanna. Me I gonna make some money, you know. So me I gonna do some pastor work.
So like you just send the money to the penny.
Him a no pastor, him a thief.
But you just
Yeah,
send the money to the
that-
penny.
yeah.
So what the difference
Him
between
head
the
a
one
one
that
head a
was saying about
parish.
God church, go make some money at church, you know?
Yeah.
What did the difference between him and the one you know was saying a pastor and a
And
running a
I tell you,
politics?
say, him just head down one of the parish now, say, I go look some money out of church. And him becomes pastor all of a sudden. But all of a sudden, him in there, and him say, but bigger money now, they work of politics.
So made over this.
So it's not all about church and people.
Like money.
It's all about the money.
So no,
But
then
that me I try
then
to
if you
put
come
to
out
you.
like them and a pastor.
No, you're not going to get them out.
No
The
one
scamming in the night. The scamming in the
That's the
night.
whole thing when me I tell you, say,
You're not going to get rid of that and Marie.
Him is not a real person.
You're
he's a
not going to
false
get that
pastor.
realness. How many real people there?
You don't really care can't point my finger upon you, you know, because you
Alright,
can't tell you.
just a few words all about the money.
No,
Mama.
no, so if you go down, if you turn to pastor, if a politics,
We
a
all
politics,
know
if
it
a
not because
pastor,
I know.
pastor.
But it done go so already. This can't change again. Me and you can't change.
No,
it.
me not try to change it, but
Yeah,
you
but-
just can't get my vote, you know.
The easiest way for a man get to you for your money is to
I don't
trick you.
feel
You
like
know.
that is right.
To get your money, you know. A man rather for trick you to get your money more than for work with you, you know.
No, but they ask me honestly, I will give if me have it.
Remember me tell you, say, you know, take him nothing for trick you now and get
That
your
not
money.
supposed to happen though.
It's not supposed to happen, but it'll happen. It
All
directly
of this
happen.
need to change.
Yeah, we are get tricked from many sources. You know.
Me know man, I know me
Okay,
tell
so if leader trick you, I make pastor can't trick
you. I
you.
want a piece of the cake. What am I
Okay,
going to
okay. Remember,
You're
you know,
supposed to in this.
we get tricked in many ways. So, pastor, we want a piece of cake too.
And then throw up on a cake there. God,
Politics.
God, I got stop it and throw it. Wait.
Politics.
So if you go.
Pastor no feel na that.
Yeah,
I
man.
mean, me don't feel that way there. Them not feel it.
Mama,
True.
me believe in a way you
no
say.
part in it.
Me believe in a
Of
way you say.
course.
But the system not set that way there. It don't design that way
And
there,
them
you
things that them
see.
fisty and talk
Them by
and
now.
and them things there.
You have more corruption in our system or everything else.
They know man that
Right.
that's
So everywhere you turn, it's just mock off a joke you or fire for burn you. You understand me? And like I don't know, ease up off and nothing. Nobody tell yourself, say boy, you're in the police force and it bitter in the police force. So you go in the doctor or the lawyer field. I see them bitterness. You understand me? Everywhere you turn, a mock or go joke you. Everywhere you turn, the corner go on in there. Everywhere you go, the same thing. You understand me, Joe? Same thing are going on in every one of the field them. Now tell yourself, say, Pastor, should up your word. We are tell yourself that. Should up your word. Should up your word. No, not pure right. It's all about the money, mama.
No money.
Hey,
It's not
then-
about
then if you're not make no money in a preach.
I know good
Yes,
pastor
it's
that.
all about the money, but it shouldn't have been about
Pastor
the
did
money.
tell you, say, man, look good recommendation, Jeff.
Every pastor
You
feel good.
understand?
How good?
What you mean? So they not
Pastor can't save me and you, you know.
Why?
Oh, we have to save ourselves. Exactly,
Yeah,
mommy.
but at the same
So
time,
when pastor do, him a do for himself. So if him say that the way him have to do it for him like keep maintain and financial. Who no mind and no go to tell himself so the pastor do it through he have the words to preach to it. No pastor look for the financial how it a go maintain. And he see a way where it can maintain. You can't go on.
When pastor baptize you, when say man do?
When him say I do,
Yeah.
me don't know me never baptized
You know
yet.
say man save you.
Save you from what?
No whatsoever out in the world.
well,
So we pastor then in our world.
Yeah, but you know say
no,
wicked things
because
out.
they say you have unsaved, save and unsaved. So it's here,
Then no so them trick.
in job.
And then so them trick we and tell you about we unsaved. That means here we going and then we get a better salary.
Oh,
The more going to church, I better salary the pastor get.
eh?
Yeah.
So
So
that's
him call me and you were outside and
Why
see
not
it,
go out?
so you
We're
will take
supposed to
time
act
for me.
more.
Because remember, you know, there is a scare that we get about God and Jesus, you know. So when pastor call you and see if you go down go look up in the
pastor,
ceiling and
pastor
start
can't
praying.
call me
You
that.
understand me? So you think to say, I wonder if God a go seen me or you know me a deal with
not
that.
think about
So
it,
something
God a go
come in
see
your mind.
That's true, man.
Something come in your mind and you have to brave and sit down and tell yourself, say, you know what?
Fuck
Me
with
not
pastor
take trick
talk,
by
you know.
Babylon.
Eh,
You understand me? Yeah, man. That's something you could hear say, alright, weekend, me I go to church. And find the saying, stop go to church. Yeah, because you hear say you're unsaved. You don't want to save.
Pastor winning
You
soul.
want to save, you know, pastor winning today.
If I didn't say good, then you wouldn't have so much backsliders. You know, feel
That's why many are we backslide.
But
Because
no,
when you
no,
go in
because
now
yeah.
and you see, no save none of this. It's just all be the same like when you did out.
Well, that's the other thing.
Yes, so many people just take time slide back. Some people going at this
Yeah.
just to tell themselves, say, me get a better comfortable day like today now. We just go sit down and talk about God. And I really like about no see him. You just know, say today one day we are going to go to church and talk about God. Because remember, they don't teach about God already, you know. So that is a reality where we grow with and can't let go. So some people want a comfortable day. But some people are tell themselves say them are going to get saved. But not saved in the night and marry saved from what we all are going to live and dead. Pastor can't stop me and you from sin,
No, they want reborn again.
Pastor capture some of it.
They want reborn
That's me I
again.
try tell you no, say
They want
Pastor
reborn
get to
again.
capture some of it now.
Yeah.
And for him salary come in enough.
They want
and him
get-
church big and loud. I say him not fi bother going to politics. Him not fi go sell drugs. Him not fi go in and no have
Offering
business.
money for him
God,
and
church
tithes.
a fire. You understand? But when church not fire, you say Pastor Joe, man, it's all about the money of your life.
But
You
it's
go
from that
maintain
about the money that me I tell them.
and marry
Yeah.
that can't maintain your
Oh,
life.
what you so maintain? You look like you know.
If you did a struggle.
Then I struggling
Yes,
continue
you
to
want
struggle
it,
the little life we have left.
We want to get over some of this. No, we want to live a little better life. Spend some more
So he
money.
no look like somebody when not live one good life.
Looks deceiving.
And true, but he looks
Yeah, he want to eat some better meal when he couldn't afford
So what
to
kind
buy.
of